Good afternoon. I am Agasthiyaambika, Department of Costume Design and Fashion, SFR College, Sivagasi. Today we are going to see about care and maintenance of sewing machine. Introduction. Most of the sewing machine problems having many, but generally monthly, weekly or twice we are need the sewing machine, and commonly poor general maintenance or neglects, but sometimes simple tools and methods are used. They are weekly, month and twice clean the machine. And then this is the sewing machine parts and function. There are many types of parts and functions are available in the sewing machine. Now cleaning method process. General cleaning. Cleaning is the main purpose of the sewing machine. Today we are going to see about cleaning, how to care and maintain. Best cleaning methods is used for the sewing machine. Note how to clean the sewing machine. Remove the parts and functions, and simple way to reduce the cleaning. And then machine go to the attach and simple place method. Bobbin area. Bobbin area, if possible to remove the bobbin area and clean the lint or stray. The machine begins run hard means you can remove the bobbin and bobbin case, and dirt and lint haze of jam inside the bearing, and continues running the machine in so the area was clean and reduce the problem. And then upper thread tension. Pull the pieces of cloth soaked solvent back forth between the disc. So the cloth is upper tension, slowly and up and down move. So the dirt part and oil, tip, cloth and brush used with cleaning. All the parts of the machine can be reached. Use the needle, knife and other little bit pointed off instruments used for the upper thread tension to remove the general dirt part or oil also easily removed. And then hand wheel area. Hand wheel area, so clutch or hand wheel, loosen or tighten, sometimes forced fully tightened. So pedal is not moved and flywheel also not moved. So the lock unit part of area, correctly identify and rectify the problems. Clean the hand wheel, washer or shift. And then face plate area. The face plate area mostly machine side plate. The place 1 or 2 screws by removing the plates can be easily removed. And then clean the needle bar, pressure foot bar and then side throat plate also easily cleaning, and then attach the face plate. And then bobbin and hook area. The bobbin area under and lower part of using bobbin methods. More than spool pin and attach the throw plate how to the needle through the bobbin. So the bobbin case removed the machine and clean the brush, and then little bit of soft items used with clean and remove the thread and around the hook part of also. And then needle. The needle is mainly important to the sewing machine. Needle attached and then stitching the upper part and lower part of. So the perfectly the needle also attached the face plate and then lower part. So the fabric is permanent by the needle during the sewing machine, has directly the seam strength and one garment appearance, wearable life. So the needle is main important part of our sewing machine. And then different types of needle also available. Hand sewing needle, embroidery needle and darning needle and machine sewing needles. Hand sewing needle is standard needle, long needle, and embroidery needle is pointed needle and then round needle. Darning needle means is long blunt tipped, a needle with a large eye designed for the weaving yarn, for example crochet, and then knitted fabric needle also darning type of needle. And And then machine sewing needle, round pointed needle, set pointed needle, ball pointed needle. Round type is normal machine, set pointed means one side flat and another type is circular. So this is the normal sewing machine. And then flat surface is the machine, power machine needles. Cutting pointed needle, heavy set of pointed. Cutting pointed needle means heavy type of needle. For example, power machine. Hand sewing needle is used for a large enough type of methods. For example, power machine, normal machine and then embroidery machine. This type of needles differently available. This is the needle. And then thank you for watching.